So, listen, students, this is the Java programming for the toString method. Okay, this is the Java programming for the toString method. Okay, here I will make this multi-line comment. Okay, now listen here. This class name I have taken as a student. This class name I have taken as a student. I have taken one variable called as a string name. Then I have created one parameterized constructor. If global variable and local variable are same, global variable will dominate the local variable. For that sake, we have to make use of this keyword. Okay. See, this is a very important concept. The constructor parameter is I'll be widely using in the collections. Okay. This is the mandatory. Parameters constructor is a mandatory. For that sake only I'm teaching once again. This keyword dot name is equals to current object name is equals to object name. Okay now. Sorry, variable name. Current object name is equals to variable name. Okay. Then I have created one main method here, public static void main. Okay. I have created one object called as student S1 new students Tom. Okay. Then also I created another object called as student S2 new student Jerry. Okay. Now I am printing system dot out dot println S1. Then I am printing system dot out dot println S2. Okay. Now what will be the output? Any idea? Let me know in chat box. What will be the output? What will be the output? If I run the program, what will be the output? Huh? I mean, what you are listening in the last class? Tom Jerry. Are you sure, Charan? Are you sure? See, if I pass S1 means Java implicitly will call, if I pass address in the printing statement, Java implicitly will call which method? ToString method. You forgot. ToString method. Java implicitly will call a TrueString method. Okay. If I run the program, I will get the output as a in a object fully classified name. See, com is a package, com.org is a package, fully qualified class name. The class name is a student and at top. This is what is meant by this? It's a hexadecimal hash code value. Object address is nothing but in Java, in programming, we'll call it as hexadecimal hash code value. Okay. I will be getting this output. Okay. Now, understood. Any doubts in this? If I pass object address into the printing statement, Java implicitly will call a toString method and I will be getting the output in the format of fully classified name and object address. See, if you see these notes, see, toString returns string representation. See, toString always returns string representation of an object in the below format. See, for me, output also getting in this format only, right? Fully qualified class name and hexadecimal value of the hash code. Okay, understood. Just react in the chat box. Just response. Okay, okay. Guys, now see here. Yeah, now see here. Now I am taking another two printing statement, but here I am calling explicitly. Okay, here I am calling explicitly to string method. If I call explicitly to string method, if I run the program, what will be the output? What will be the output? What will be the output? I need response from online class students. Tom and Jerry, are you sure? See, just now only I explained. No, if I give the address, Java implicitly will call the toString. Okay. If Java is implicitly calling the toString, if I call explicitly also, I will be getting the same output. Okay. I will be getting the same output. See, if I run the program, I'm getting 4 times. Okay. Count.org, fully classified string representation name and hash code, hexadecimal hash code value. Okay, now understood. See, if I want to get Tom and Jerry as an output, okay, I need to override the. What is mean by method overriding? What is mean by method overriding? See, in Java, here implicitly is calling the toString method. Here I am explicitly calling the toString method. Okay. What is mean by method overriding? Just response in the chat box. Just response in the chat box. Vega, what is method overriding? Yeah, same return type, same method name. That is the procedure. My question is, what is method overriding? Having multiple methods in the same method overriding. I'm not asking method overloading. Method overriding. Where is this Navya, Sai Charan and all? Where you guys went? Yeah. When a subtask provides a different implementation of a method, that is all. This definition I thought you like this. I thought you in very simple way, right? I thought you in very simple way. What is the simple way I taught you the definition? Tell me, guys. The process of the process of inheriting the method and changing the implementation in the inherited method is called as method overriding. See, this is very simple, right? Why you are making so much of complex there? The process of inheriting the method and changing the implement. What is the inheriting means? A superclass to the subclass, and inherited is nothing but subclass, and changing the implementation in the subclass is nothing but inherited method. That is nothing called as a method overriding. Okay. See, if I want to display Tom and Jerry, means here I should override the toString method, sir. To override the toString method, we have to follow, this method, okay? We have to follow this method presented in the object classes. Okay. We have to follow this method. Okay. Now we will try this. Yeah. See, at override is optionally. Okay. Yeah. Now why it is showing error? Why it is showing error? Why it is showing error? Let me know in chat box. Yeah, we have to return now. Yeah, yeah, we have to return. This is a string, no? This is similar to the function. Okay, here the return type is string. We have to return the string. Okay, this is the overriding. Here I'm overriding the toString method. Okay, if I overriding the toString method, then if I run the program, I will be getting the output as a Tom Jerry, Tom Jerry. Okay, understood. Any doubts in this? If you have any doubts, let me know in the chat box. If you have any doubts, let me know in the chat box. And give me that question yesterday again, answer, no? Yeah, now regarding on this, I'll giving one task, okay? Just write the program and send me the snapshot in the chat box, okay? Yeah, take the question, write a Java program, write a Java program. Those who are absent, you can also try here, okay? Write a Java program, class name is employee, class name is employee, class name is employee, pass two arguments, pass two arguments, ID and name, pass two arguments, ID and name. That should be in default, okay? The ID and name should be in default. Yeah, create parameterized constructor, create parameterized constructor, create parameterized constructor, and pass the arguments in constructor scope, and pass the arguments in constructor scope, and pass the arguments in constructor scope. Below that create a main method, below that create a main method, below that create a main method. After create three different objects, after create three different objects, after create three different objects of employee, after create three different types of objects, sorry, after create three objects of employee, after create three objects of employee, and pass the parameters, and pass the parameters, and pass the parameters, and pass the parameters, followed by printing statement, followed by printing statement, followed by printing statement. For every object address, for every object address, for every for for each object address, for each object address, followed by printing statement for each object address, followed by printing statement for each object address. After override the toString method. After override the toString method. Okay. Yeah. Try it and share me in the chat box. Yeah. Listen here. Both offline and online students, listen here. I need pin drop of silence. Don't talk. Listen here. See, this is the task I given for you. The employee with followed by toString ID and the name. It should be default. Then you have to create the parameterize the constructor, and you have to pass the arguments in the parameters, and you have to give this scope in the uh, constructor scope. Then under the main method, you are creating the three different objects with some values. Then you are printing the address. Okay. After that, you are overriding the toString method. Now, if I run the program, I'll be getting ID 101 name Alpha Jack and Sam. Okay. Yeah. Now listen, you listen carefully. Yeah. I'm creating in Java libraries. I'm creating one more package. See, this is a new topic for today. Listen carefully. Uh, yeah, I'm creating a com dot storing objects. Okay, I'm creating one package called as com dot storing objects. Okay, in this I will create one class. Class name is class name is class name is student. Yeah. Before going to the topic, I need to ask some questions. What is data type in Java? Huh? It is a type of data and give the information to the type of data stored in the variables. Is called as a data types. Okay. What are the data types are there in Java? Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In primitive, we are using the keywords, right? In primitive, we are using the keywords. Okay. In non-primitive, non-prim in primitive, we'll always refer the keywords. In non-primitive, we'll always refer the object of class. Okay. I told you, no, class is also hacked as a data type, and we also saw the so many programs. If class is acting a data type, then class is a non-primitive, right? For that sake only, in primitive, keywords is referring, in non-primitive, object is referring. Artha aita? Yeah. In primitive data type, we have a fixed size, okay? Primitive data type is always fixed size. In non-primitive data type, it is not a fixed size. Okay, it's not a fixed size. Okay. In primitive data type, we have like 8 data type. No, byte, short, int, long, float, char, double, and booleans. These are the data types. Okay. In non-primitive data types, string, array, list. Okay, these are the. What is class, guys? What is class is nothing but it is a blueprint of the data, and class is nothing but it is a blueprint, and it is behave as a data type also. Okay, now today's topic is storing objects into an array. Okay, storing objects to an array. Okay, we'll see now. Yeah. Yeah. See, here I will make a comment here. Storing objects in an array. Storing objects in an array. Okay. Now listen carefully. It should be very interactive. I will take here on two variables, int age, string name. What is the next procedure? Parameterized. Okay. In parameterized constructor, I need to pass int age, comma, string name. Okay. Then here I should pass this dot age is equals to age. The next one, this dot. I'm recording the session. Yeah. This dot name is equals to sorry name. Then I will create one main method. I will create one main method. Main method. Here I will create one object called as student s1 s1 equals to new student. Yeah, here I should pass 20. Here I should pass the parameters, no? 20 and give the name as a term. Okay. Then student s2 equals to new student of new 22 15 back, huh? Okay, 15. Tell me the name. Jerry. Okay. Yeah. Now, if I run the program, what will be the answer? Nothing. Are you sure? See, so S dot S1 dot 8. Then I can give like this only, no? S1 dot S1 dot name. The same thing followed by S2 dot age, S2 dot name. Now, if I run the program, I will get the Tom and Jerry. 20 Tom, 15 Jerry. Okay. How Java will understand this, sir? How Java will understand? Always it will start from the main method. Whenever you created the object, whenever you are giving the new operator, the JVM will activate and it will create a separate spaces and it will store the age. This you understood, no? I need to explain once again or what? You know the scenario, right? I explained the plenty times, no? Yeah. Huh? Huh? Yeah, tell me. Once again, if you're regular to the class means I will be explaining. If you are not regular to the class, don't ask me. Okay. Yeah. Listen here. Yeah. Now you understood this one, right? Huh? And you know the working scenario, everything, and it will point to the current objects, everything. Yeah. Now I need to create an array. How to create an array? So I will delete this one. Now tell me how to create an array. You are aware about array creation, array declaration, creation and declaration, initialization in same line. You remember every syntaxes, no? Now tell me how to create an array. Here I should do, uh, here I should do object creation. How to do object creation in array? Student This also I already taught you, right? Student array is always represented in the square parenthesis. S is equals to new student array. Here I will give you giving some sizes. Okay, done. Okay, here I'm creating one size. Okay, Java will automatically will create. If I do like this, Java will automatically create two spaces. What is the array name here? It will refer to the S, and always index starts from the 0 and 1. Okay, and the size is okay. Yeah. Now I should initialize the value. Okay, how to initialize the value? I can give like this: S of 0. S of 0 is equal to 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 S of 0 is equal to S of 0 is equal to. See, now the array is null. Okay, now array is empty. Here I should pass some parameters. No, huh? Now array is null. Alwa? Hmm? S of 0 is equals to. Can I give like this? Can I give like this S1? Why is that you are giving S1? In S1 you are storing 20 and term? No. Huh? I can give S of 0 is equal to S1. Okay. S of 1 is equals to S2. Okay. Yeah. Now how to execute an array? How to execute an array? See, delete this one. Now if I try to execute, the printing statement should be mandatory, right? Yeah, tell me the printing statement. System dot out dot println. What? S of S of 0 dot age. Huh? Plus empty space plus S of 1 dot 0 only. Yeah, 0 dot name. Yeah. It is followed by S1 also. Yeah. Now listen carefully. This followed by S1 also. Yeah. If I run the program, it is showing 20 Tom, 15 Jerry. Okay. Now you got some idea how to store an objects in an array. Huh? Yeah. There is another way, guys. There is another way. There's another way. You know that how to traverse an array, we have to make use of You have to make use of for loop, right? Yeah. See, now I will traverse an array. Okay. Yeah. That last Nagul, can you stand up? Tell me the syntax for the for loop. I know I'm not asking. Tell me the code. Huh? Which parenthesis? Which parenthesis? There is so many parentheses in Java. Are which parenthesis? Which parenthesis? Int I equals to 0, then I lesser than. Here I have to make the efficient. How to make the efficient? So you should tell me. I given the condition, no? First is initialization conditions, right? I have initialized the for loop. Now I should give the condition. For condition, I have to make the efficient way. What is the efficient way in Java to make the condition efficient? Hmm? I less than equals. Okay, tell me. What is the efficient ways, guys? Online class students, let me know in chat box. What is the efficient way of it? See, here I am traversing an array. Okay. First, I have initialized the value. Then I should give the condition. No, for condition, and the one way is I lesser than uh, 2. Okay. I need an efficient way. My question is, I know, bro, I'm telling that one only. Okay. Either I can use I lesser than 2. I don't want that method. I want an efficient way. What is the efficient way? Yeah, tell me. Array dot length, huh? Yeah, tell me that code. If I give directly length means it will accept. Then ARR. Are you sure? Okay, super. Guys, I'm very proud, guys. S capital, huh? Student. Okay, you're using class name. Huh? I don't want class name. If I use class name, the code is big. I want to make efficient. What is mean by efficient? You're almost correct. Just think. Just you need to change one word. That's it. See, here you have to give the object reference. This is the efficient way. Okay. Sit down. Then I plus plus. Yeah. Now in printing statement, SOP sys out S of S of I 0 now. I will kill you. Yeah. Now if I run the program, why it is showing like this? It is showing the object in the string representation name. string representation name and hexadecimal hash code value. Why it is showing like this? Why it is showing like this? Implicitly it is calling a toString method. Okay. For that sake only, don't miss single session. See, if I give like this, it will implicitly will call toString method. Okay. How to overcome this? Huh? Are you sure? Pakka. Instead of overriding in the object creation, I can give sysout, sorry, sysout s of i, s of I dot age plus spaces plus s of I dot if I run the program, I will get again it's showing like this. Yeah, I will make this comment. Now it's showing 15 term. Okay, now understood. Okay, write this program. I will explain one more program using storing objects into an array. After that, I will give one task and you have to show me. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts for? Okay. See, I'm taking one more class as a person. I need response from online class students also. Okay. I need a response from online class students also. The same program I'm doing once again with the different example. Okay. Here I'm taking yeah. I need the response from online class students also. Yeah. Int age string name. Yeah. Next, tell me what is the procedure? Huh? You have to create the. I need answer from everyone. I'm not teaching your wall or projector or camera. I'm teaching for everyone. Yeah, there is a shortcut way to create the constructor using fields. Okay. Select all. Here you have to create. Here you have to select the omit call default super constructor. Yeah, not vomit. Omit. Omit. Array. Yeah, this is the simplest way. But you don't do like this. You have to type explicitly because now only our somberi's. Uh, then main method. Yeah, here I need to create a different object. There is a no shortcut key for object creation. You have to do explicitly. Yeah, tell me person. I need to create three different objects. Person p1 is equals to new person of 20 name 20 na link new person of Oh, uh, 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 okay, here I will put the name as now here I have to create the which array object person array p is equals to new person array. No one responding, yeah. Online class students. Sorry, new person. Oh, here I should give the size of 3. Sorry. Okay. Then here I have to initialize the. This is the one way, right? Initialize 0 is equals to p1. Uh, in p2. In third index, we are giving the address of p3. Okay. Now tell me, huh? Yeah, p of 2. Yeah. Now, without overriding the toString method, I have to make use of for loop equals to 0. I is lesser than p dot length I plus plus sys out. Hmm. Here I have to give p of I dot. Are you sure? Paka. I am giving object address. Yeah. Here I have to give dot age plus p of I. P of I dot name plus correct. Correct. Yeah. P of I dot only age and name. No. Now if I run the program, wedding 20 dinga 20 guldu 20 ding. Okay. Okay. Now you write this program. I will be giving one task for you regarding on this. Then we'll start. I'm creating one class called as employee in the package of HashCode. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me main method. Okay. Here I'm creating one object called as employee array Yeah, employee E is equals to new employee. Yeah. Now if I run the program, you get no error. Okay. See. Now listen here. Sys out. Sys out. Yeah. Now here I'm calling E dot. See if I pass E. Okay. Uh, if I pass E means what will be the output? What will be the output? I need response from the online class students. I need response from online class students. If you're sleeping, slap yourself, wake up and listen the class. Okay. Uh, I need answer from online class students. If I run this code, what will be the output? It will print the. We should not call address. We should call a string representation format. Okay. We should call as a string representation format. It is fully qualified name at the rate of hexadecimal hash code value. Okay, for that sake, we should call a string representation. Okay, now, yeah, now, guys, here I will go with the hash code. Now, what will be the output? Now, what will be the output? Huh? Hexadecimal value. Are you sure? Huh? Are you sure? What will be the output now? See, if I run the code, sir, it is showing 150951433. It will convert string representation value into unique value format. Okay. Hash code is nothing but a unique value format. For that sake only, we'll call hash code is a unique value format. Okay. See, if I create another object, assume here, I'm creating, yeah, listen carefully. This concept I'm widely using in the collection. Okay. Uh, yeah, listen here. Okay. E1. Yeah. Now I will print E1 dot hash code. See, every object will print the unique code. See, this unique code is different. This is different. Okay. If I use hash code method, okay. If I use hash code method, where it is present this hash code method? Huh? Condition. Where it is present? Object, no. Huh? Hash code is where it is present. You forgot. It is present in the object class. See, hash code is presented in the which method? In object class, no. Huh? Yeah. Hash code is nothing but it is a unique representation name. Can I override the hash code? Sir, here it is giving 150951433 and for second object it's giving 73949851 Sir, I should change this number into 121 and this number into 122. Can I change it? Is it possible? Is it possible? Can I change it? Huh? Online class students, can I change it? Can I override the hash code method? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible? I need response, guys. Online class students. Is it possible? No, sir. Absolutely, you are wrong. We can override the hash code also using public int hash code. See, in toString, the return type is string. No, in hash code, it is returning in the numbers, right? For that sake only, it is a return type is int. We can override the hash code also. Okay, this is a very, very important concept for the collection. Okay, now tell me, I will delete this employee. I will E1 and I will delete this. Okay, yeah. Now tell me public int hash code. Why it is showing error? Huh? We have to return something. No, here the return type is int, right? Okay, return. Yeah, 121. Okay, see. Now, if I run the code, see, now I override the method. Okay, now I'm returning to it. Now, if I run the program, again it's showing like this. Why? Why, guys? Why it is showing like that? Yeah, school. C capital. Are you sure? Yeah. Code. Yeah. See, now it is showing. We have to follow the naming convention, right? For method starting by the lower cases, if you have two words means the second word should be upper letter. Okay. We can override the hash code method also. First listen here. First you write this point. First you write this point, this hash code point. Don't write this. I will teach you afterwards. Okay. I will teach you in the next session. First, you write this hash code syntax and hash code definition. See, hash code method, if I use circle parenthesis method, no. Hash code method is used to identify the object uniquely. The second point is hash code is a return a number or ID to uniquely identify an object. So override the hash code method, we have to follow this syntax. Okay. First you write this definition, then you write this program. Okay now. Any doubts for online class students?